Outstanding design defines the 2009 Mazda 3. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Mazda prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.